Hey everyone, welcome back to Quiz with Ben. Today, we're diving into the world of emojis in our newest episode. Guess the emoji. Stick around till the end because we've got some really tricky and fun emoji puzzles waiting for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from Quiz with Ben. Also, be sure to comment down below and let me know your score. Can you beat me in this emoji challenge? Let's jump right in and see how well you know your emoji.
Treehouse. Looks like you've climbed to the top with that one. Ready for another adventure? Let's see if you can guess this one. Moonlight. You're over the moon with that one. Let's shine a light on the next challenge. Thunderstorm. You struck that one like lightning. Ready to weather the next one. Waterfall. Wow, you're going with the flow. Let's see if the next one makes a splash. Cupcake. That's a sweet guess. Now, let's take a bite out of the next one. Daydream. Wake up. You nailed it. Now, let's dream big for the next one. You're really digging into these answers. Ready to step into the next one. Snowman. That's one cool guess. Let's see if the next one melts your brain. Rainbow. You found the pot of gold with that guess. Let's paint the sky with the next one. Footprint. You're leaving your mark with that guess. Let's step up to the next challenge. Sunrise. Looks like you're rising to the occasion. Let's see if you can brighten up with the next one. Firefly. You're lighting up these answers. Ready to buzz over to the next one. Laptop. You're really plugged into this quiz. Let's compute the next answer. Toothbrush. Now that's a fresh guess. Let's brush up on the next one. Skylight. You've got a clear view of that one. Ready for the next shining guess. Earthquake. You really shook things up with that guess. Let's rock and roll into the next one. Bookmark. you're keeping track of these answers. Let's flip to the next page. Windsurf, you're breezing through this quiz, ready to ride the wave of the next one. Starlight, you're shining bright with that guess. Let's reach for the next star. Butterfly, you fluttered right into the answer. Let's see if you can soar to the next one. Raindrop, you've made a splash with that guess. Get ready to drop some knowledge on this next challenge. Snowflake, you've iced that one perfectly. Let's see if you can snowball into the next challenge. Pancake, you flipped that guess right. Now, let's see if you can stack up another win with this one. Bluebird, you soared through that one with ease. Time to take flight with the next challenge. Seashore, you've surfed through that one with style. Let's see if you can beat yourself in this next challenge. Grasshopper, you've hopped to that answer with agility. Now, let's see if you can jump to the next one. Sandcastle, you've built up a win with that one. Let's see if you can construct another correct answer. Freshened up the quiz with that one. Get ready to add some flavor to this next challenge. Fishbowl, you've made a splash with that answer. Let's see if you can keep swimming with this next one. On the right answer. Time to nestle into the next challenge. Roadblock, you've navigated around that one with ease. Let's see if you can break through this next challenge. Firewood, you fueled the quiz with that guess. Now, let's see if you can keep the fire going with this one. Spaceship, you've launched into the right answer. Time to blast off to the next clue. Honeymoon, you've sweetened the quiz with that one. Let's see if you can make another romantic guess. Icebreaker, you've shattered that challenge like a pro. Now, let's see if you can break the ice on this next one. Houseplant, you've grown your score with that one. Get ready to bloom with this next challenge. Watermelon, you've served up a juicy answer with that one. Let's see if you can slice through this next challenge. Handshake, you've sealed the deal with that guess. Now, let's see if you can shake hands with this next clue. Breakfast, you've started the day right with that guess. Time to dig in and tackle this next challenge. Nightfall, you've ended the day with that answer.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more tasty fun. Ring the bell so you never miss out on our delicious debates. See you next time on Quiz with Ben.